Welcome back to AuthAndPay Starter Kit. In the previous tutorials, we demonstrated how to integrate authentication with Google and GitHub, allowing users to log in with these providers. Now, we'll set up authentication with Facebook, giving users even more flexibility when signing into your platform. Let's get started. For Facebook authentication, we need a client ID and a client secret. First, go back to the application, enable OAuth 2, and activate the Facebook login option. Save the changes. Now log out, and you'll see the additional button for continuing with Facebook. To configure Facebook login, go to your Facebook account and visit developers.facebook.com/apps. This is where you can create an application to enable Facebook authentication. Create a new app and name it AuthAndPay. This application will be used for authentication purposes. At this stage, we don't need to connect it with a business portfolio, so we skip that step and go to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of steps required to publish and authorize the application officially. For now, since we're working in a development environment, we don't need to complete the full publishing process. Facebook allows us to use the app for testing without an official review. Before proceeding, you must add the email scope to your application settings. Now, go to the application settings, copy the app ID, and paste it into the correct field in your AuthAndPay configuration. Next, copy the app secret and paste it as well. Once these values are in place, restart the application. Now that the correct client ID and client secret have been added and the application has restarted, we can test Facebook login. Go to the login page and select the Continue with Facebook option. Since this application is not yet officially reviewed by Facebook, you may see a warning message, but you can still proceed. After continuing, the registration is complete, and the user is logged in with a basic role. At this point, there isn't much visible to the user. However, if you check the profile, you'll see the details of the newly registered user. Now, log out and try logging in again with Facebook. You'll see a message saying, "You previously logged into AuthAndPay with Facebook. Would you like to continue?" Simply click Continue, and you are logged back in. And that's it. You have successfully integrated Facebook authentication into AuthAndPay, giving users another seamless login option. In the next tutorial, we'll explore integrating another provider to further enhance authentication flexibility. Make sure to subscribe and start using AuthAndPay today. Visit AuthAndPay.com to get started. See you in the next video.